This is just a stock that I think that you should have in your long portfolio all the time. You can see that on the daily trend, we have had a sustained, beautiful uptrend here in this vehicle. These blue lines that I marked are some hammers that I found, and the reason I marked those today is because the hammers are relevant in some way. We can also see that I drew my time just to give me a further indication of any potential price movements, and it basically just gives me further confidence when I trade by having these time signatures. And also, you can be right on price, but if you're not right on when that price action occurs, then what good is knowing what direction the price is going to move? A lot of trading is just time. So let's move into our hour chart, get a better read. Let's see, candles. Okay, so this is the chart that I thought that candles were really very important. First of all, let's take a look at some hammers. So I guess we see one right here. We have a hammer right here marking this channel end. We have a hammer right here. We have a hammer up here. We have this hammer down right here. And we see our gap down, our gap up, and we can see our hammer right here and a hammer right here. So let's go back to Heikin-Ashi. I drew some, let's go to the 30-minute. I drew some Elliott wave and then the 15-minute. So right here, we've got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We had a nice flag right here, if you saw it, supported with our Elliott waves. And we can see now that we've reached a sort of a channel, but this could also be an ascending triangle because we've got the support line right here, and we also seem to have hit a top at this point. I think we could bring our top down to here. And so if it is an ascending triangle, let's see, it looks like I drew out some hypothetical lines. We might see a stall out in volatility for the end of the week here. But if it is, we've got our retest here, our A, B, C, D, E, and then I expect it to break out much higher. If it is a channel, then it looks like this is just bouncing off the bottom of the channel. It's probably going to move up here, here, here. But in the past, it seems that the price action moves at a steeper slope than this channel right here would indicate. However, this is my short-term thesis on volatility. We do see a huge amount of sellers coming in right here. You see our RSI breaking underneath 50. 50 it usually needs to stay above this 50 level to continue moving up in price. We see it breaking below, as well as the volume. So we're going to have to keep an eye on that tomorrow. Let's move on, BRZU.